On October 29, 2025, something extraordinary unfolded near the Sun, something NASA has yet to explain. As 3I, Atlas, only the third confirmed interstellar visitor, reached its closest point to the Sun, space agencies suddenly went silent. But amateur astronomers didn't. Across the world, they began capturing strange objects near the solar surface, shapes that appeared and vanished, black cubes absorbing light, wheel-like structures turning in the corona, and even massive silhouettes seemingly feeding on the Sun's plasma. The most striking footage came from the Soho Observatory. It showed a dark, tentacled object larger than Jupiter anchored to the Sun's surface, pulling streams of plasma into its form before detaching and drifting away. This happened on the exact day Atlas reached perihelion. Temperatures there exceed 1,000,000 degrees Celsius, yet Atlas survived, and even seemed to react. Then came something even stranger. The next day, the Rubin Observatory in Chile detected an Earth-sized object hovering motionless near the Sun. It didn't orbit or spin, it just hung there, absorbing solar flares without damage. Scientists suggested camera errors, but identical images appeared from two separate instruments, confirming the object was real. UFO researcher Scott C. Waring claimed NASA has long hidden such phenomena, massive, cube-shaped crafts entering and leaving the Sun. Footage from NASA's own feeds showed black cubes emerging from the solar surface before the video glitched, covering the region where the cube had appeared. The symmetry and shading of these shapes were too perfect to be natural, and similar cubes have been observed worldwide, from pilots spotting metallic polyhedrons in Brazil to glowing cube-like UFOs over Bangkok and Moscow. Meanwhile, Ukrainian astronomer Gennady Borisov, who discovered the first interstellar comet in 2019, observed something that defied logic. Thousands of tiny luminous objects, arranged in perfect geometric formations, were trailing Atlas. They didn't behave like debris but moved with precision, as if under intelligent control. Harvard astrophysicist Avi Loeb had previously warned that an interstellar object might be a mothership releasing probes. His words suddenly didn't sound so far-fetched. Soon after, NASA's Parker Solar Probe recorded rhythmic pulses of light firing toward the Sun, every 2 seconds for 5 hours, behaving unlike any known solar phenomenon. Some researchers suggested these pulses were artificial, possibly energy transfers between the Sun and unknown structures. Physicist Michio Kaku once theorized that advanced civilizations might harvest energy directly from stars. To beings millions of years ahead of us, a star would be the ultimate power source. Those massive cubes and wheel-shaped objects could be collectors siphoning plasma for energy, forming a network of machines feeding off our Sun. If so, what are they preparing for? Archaeologist Graham Hancock points out that ancient civilizations, from India's Vedas to Egypt's hieroglyphs, depicted radiant disks and black cubes linked to the heavens. Perhaps what ancient humans saw as divine were these same objects recurring across millennia. Now, as 3I, Atlas approaches its mysterious fade into the darkness beyond the Sun, astronomers are left questioning whether we just witnessed a natural event, or the return of something far older, vast, and intelligent. The black cubes near the Sun might not just be symbols from mythology, they could be real, alive, and watching us still.